हेलो एवरीवन। मैं चेतन कुमार नागर और आप देख रहे हैं अपना कल्चर एग्रीकल्चर यूट्यूब चैनल। टुडे वी विल गो थ्रू द माइलस्टोन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट इन प्री इंडिपेंडेंट। Before go through this, we have to know the term about BC and ED. Friends, BC means before Christ and AD means Anno Domino. And more familiar terms for these BC and AD is before the Common Era and Common Era. Friends, 9000 BC domestication of sheep and goat started. 8000 BC domestication of cattle has been started. Domestication of dog, elephant and fowl, birds has been started at 5000 BC. 4000 BC domestication of water buffaloes, and to 23,000 BC first report of rice cultivation found in Lothal, Gujarat. From 2300 to 1600 BC cultivation of wheat, barley, mustard, chickpea, cotton, date, lotus, coconut, pomegranate, lemon and melon in the Harappan civilization. Friends, in Rigveda also discussed in the tenure of 2000 to 1500 BC, the classification of seasons, rust of monsoon, weather systems and different types of clouds. The in same periods of time, the Upanishads discussed cloud, rain and seasonal cycles due to Earth's movement around the friends. Growing of jawar in Ahar, Rajasthan was found 1500 to 1000 BC. Cultivation of green gram, black gram and lentil in Tamil Nadu, and humped cattle breeding was initiated from 1100 to 800 BC. Growing of bajra in Rangpur, Gujarat was found. Atharvaveda discussed elements of animals, herbal medicines and cure of disease. 322 to 185 BC characterization of soils. 321 to 296 BC Kautilya's Arthashastra discussed meteorological aspect of agriculture. 300 BC first veterinary hospital of the first veterinary hospital of the world by King Ashoka. From 100 BC to 100 AD, dam on river Kaveri constructed by famous ruler Kerikala Chola in Tamil Nadu. In 100 AD, Kalidasa's Meghduta mentioned dates of onset of monsoon and its path over centuries. 200 AD, Manusmriti described the sun as the source of all energy. Construction of grand Anicut masonry wire and ancient irrigation works on the river Kaveri. 505 to 587 AD, Varamihira Bharat Samhita discussed planetary movements, eclipse, rainfall and clouds. 1000 AD, Bahur tank near Pondicherry, Gangaikonda, Cholapuram and Bhojpur lake were constructed. 1400 AD, Anantaraja Sagar of Porumallai tank in Kudappa, Andhra Pradesh, built by Prince Bhaskara of the first Vijayanagara dynasty. Early Western Yamuna Canal built by Firozh Shah Tughlaq. On 1510 AD, Portuguese travelers introduced groundnut, tobacco, potato and chili and amaranth to Grafting technique was introduced by the Portuguese travelers in Goa. 1562 AD, Mughal Emperor Babur introduced scented Persian rose to India. 1555 to 1605 AD, Abul Fazl's Ain-e-Akbari mentioned silk cloth of jute from Rangpur, Bengal. 1605 to 27 AD, production of ether, the extract of essential oil from the rose petals by the Nurjahan. 1636 AD, Haley published a treatise on Indian summer monsoon. 1700 AD, early Bari Dohab or Hasli Canal on river Ravi, built during the rule of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Early Eastern Yamuna Canal built by Muhammad Shah. 1793 AD, first meteorological unit, one of the oldest stations of the world, started in Madras by J. Goldingham. 1794 AD, established first horse stood in establishment of camel breeding from in Hisar, Haryana. In 1815 AD, cattle and horse breeding started in the government cattle farm Hisar. 1855 AD, Radhanath, first Indian superintendent of government observatory, recorded systemic weather observation for the first time. 1868 AD, agricultural school at Seddapet, Chennai was established. Cattle Plague Commission was formed. 1874 AD, H. F. Blandford, first imperial meteorological reporter to the government of India, initiated the system of long-range forecast in India. 1875 AD, first headquarters of Indian Meteorological Department started at Alipore, Kolkata. 1878 AD, first solar observation in India was recorded at publication of the Indian Daily Weather Report IDWR and first weather charts from Simla. 1882 AD, first veterinary college was established at Lahore. 1883 AD, J. W. Lether started permanent manual experiment at Kanpur and Coimbatore. 1886 AD, first operational long-range forecast for southwest monsoon rain was issued by Indian Meteorological Department. India became the first country to start systematic development in a long-range forecast. 1889 AD, first military dairy farm was established at Allahabad. Creation of civil veterinary departments in the provinces. Establishment of Imperial Bacteriological Laboratory in Pune. 1899 AD, construction of Praura River Canal. 1901 to 05 AD, Inspector General of Agriculture was appointed. College of Agriculture was established at Coimbatore, Kanpur, Sabor, Nagpur and Lailapur. 1902 AD, anti-anthrax serum was developed. Indian Civil Veterinary Department was established. 1905 AD, Indian Agricultural Research Institute was established at Pusa, Bihar. Upper air measurement of winds started by tracking balloons with Theodolites. 1906 AD, J.W. Lether devised an indigenous method of characterizing Indian soils. Indian Agriculture Service was constituted. 1907 AD, construction of Godavari Canal project. 1908 AD, black quarter vaccine and polyvalent HS vaccine was developed. Black quarter vaccine used for immunization and protection of cattle and sheep against clostridial infection that affects muscles causing lameness. And polyvalent HS hemorrhagic septicemia that is called Galagotu in Hindi vaccine was developed in 1908 AD. 1911 AD construction of Krishna Rajasagar project in Mysore. 1915 AD Pulsan Dairy, the first large-scale milk processing plant in India, was established at Mumbai. Construction of Sharda Canal project in Uttar Pradesh. 1921 AD construction of Kaveri Mettur project in Madras and Satluj Valley Canal project. Indian Central Cotton Committee was constituted. 1922 construction of Gang or Bikaner Canal, and J.N. Mukherjee gave the concept of diffused double layer neutralization of the charge of colloids and nature of soil acidity. 1923 AD Imperial Institute of Animal Husbandry and Dairying was started in Bangalore. 1924 AD Sir Gilbert Walker discovered Walker circulation and southern oscillation and construction of Nizam Sagar project in Andhra Pradesh. 1925 AD use of artificial insemination for the cattle started in military dairy farms. Royal Commission on Agriculture Lindco Commission was appointed. 1927 AD goat tissue virus GTV rinderpest vaccine was developed. 1928 AD establishment of Pune headquarters of IMD and first All India Weather Summary and Forecast was issued from Pune. Government set up the Imperial Council of Agriculture Research, now ICAR, in 1929 AD. 1933 AD manufacturing of Simon Rain Gauge, cup anemometer and wind vane started by Indian Meteorological Department. 1935 AD Indoor composting for organic farming initiated by Albert Howard. A.N. Puri developed methods for measurement of exchangeable bases, lime and gypsum requirement. 1936 AD P.K. Day first time discussed the role of cyanobacteria in soil fertility. 1937 AD construction of Haveli project Trimu Barrage. C.N. Acharya developed biogas plant and method of composting, development of Ranikhet disease vaccine, collection centers and distribution network were set up for linking the rural milk producers in Bombay with the urban consumers. In 1940, R.N. Singh showed the role of blue-green algae (BGA) for supplying nitrogen in rice soil in 1942 AD. 1943 Vishwanath and Ukil at IRI prepared a soil map of India, radiosonde observations commenced. 1944 AD, S.K. Banerjee became became first Indian Director General of IMD. S.K. Banerjee. Based on data up to 1940, 5-day normal pressure, humidity, and temperature, and aviation climatological tables were published by IMD in 1944. 1946, cooperative movement started in dairying with the establishment of the Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union (AMUL) in Gujarat. Climatological chart of India and neighborhood was published by Indian Meteorological Department for meteorologists and airmen. Thank you all. If you like the information, please do like, share and subscribe to the Apna Culture Agriculture YouTube channel.